How to delete citations in Word document. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to delete citations in your Word document. You just have to open it up. And if you go to citations and try to delete it manually, then it seems like a difficult task, right? But there is an easy way. You need to go to references on the ribbon bar at the top, and there you'll see manage sources. Uh, this will organize the sources cited in your document. So you can just tap on it, and here you'll find all your citations. If you want to remove it, you can just tap on it, and then you can delete it. So just tap on it and then delete it. It's really simple to delete citations. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.